I find inspiration in the strangest places. One time I was visiting a friend's, and early in the morning I looked out the window and I saw a fox cutting across the lawn. Ever since then, I've been affected by that. What the hell was that fox doing? It was a suburban neighborhood.
I've always used papier-mâché because paper is something that you can access everywhere. I can take paper that could end up in the trash and recycle it into art or upcycle it into art. The paste I use is a industrial wallpaper adhesive, the super clear coat, but it's all natural and doesn't seem to affect my hands. We'll see later, maybe I'll end up with some horrible disease from it. I start with a cardboard skeleton that I cover in strips of white paper, making it easier to paint. That's the magic of papier-mâché. Anything I dream up, I can make. I like foxes because they're sneaky little bastards. They're always out there ready to steal your chicken and get away with it. I think hunting them is a horrible thing. I feel like if I had a spirit animal, maybe it would be a fox. I like to have art projects that are mobile, that I can take with me when I'm biking around the city. Lately, I've been working on unicorns, or also people in masks.
Why the unicorns? Well, this is a time of deep sadness, depression, locked inside, stuck all day. So I wanted to reference the masks, yes, because that's what's going on, but the unicorns is kind of like this bright beacon that we hope we can get to the other side. So yeah, I see a connection between the masks and the unicorns. Also, I'm trying to do the unicorns in a weird way, so each unicorn has its own little personality.
This is my mother. Later, we'll be looking back at this pandemic, and artists are going to represent how their emotions felt during the time.
Yeah!
Very nice.
Okay, I gotta make a plug here. My new film, Man in Camo, is out now where you can stream, rent, and buy movies. Please go check it out, write a review, and share with your friends. Small independent films like this live and die with the word of mouth. So please, write a review and share with your friends.